Arts and passion. The impact of American and Japanese colonization. So, exploring the influence of American and Japanese occupation on artistic expression and passion trends. So, introduction to arts and passion. So, yung colonization in America and Japan has significantly influenced the evolution of arts and passion. These influences shape cultural identities, blending traditional elements with new styles, resulting in the unique artistic expressions and passion that trends that reflect the complexities of colonial interactions. So, overview of American colonization muna tayo. So, timeline ng American colonization. The American colonization process began in the early 17th century with the significant developments occurring in regions such as New England, the Mid-Atlantic and Southern colonies. Major milestones include the founding Jamestown in 1607 and the Pilgrims' arrival in 1620, which established lasting European presence in North America. Key events in shaping culture. So, prominent events that influence the cultural landscape include the introduction of the transatlantic slave trade, which brought not only forced labor but also diverse cultural expressions from Africa. Additionally, the American Revolution on 1775 and 1783 played a critical role in shaping national identity and cultural exchanges. Impact on local arts and passion. So the colonization led to the emerging of European artistic styles with indigenous techniques and materials. These fusions resulted in new fashion trends, excuse me, as the adaptation of European garment with Native American influences, and the development of unique art forms that reflected the diverse cultural landscape of the colonies. So cultural influences on arts and passion during American rule. So, introduction of Western styles and techniques. The introduction of Western styles during American colonization significantly transformed local art and fashion. So, artists began to incorporate European techniques, leading to blend of traditional and modern artistic expression. Influence of American pop culture. So, American pop culture, including music, films, and advertising, permeated colonized societies, influencing local fashion trends and artistic themes. The cross-cultural exchange led to new styles that combined both American and native elements. Traditional art forms underwent significant changes as artists adapted to new materials and methods introduced during colonization. So key movements, art movements and fashion trends in the American era. So highlight natin yung 90s, 1920s, 1940s, 50s, and 1960s. So 90s, modernism emerged as dominant art movement emphasizing abstraction and new perspective in art. 1920s, the Roaring Twenties brought about vibrant fashion trends including flapper dresses and jazz-influenced styles. 1940s to 50s, post-war America saw the rise of designer fashion with icons like Christian Dior leading new trends. 1960s, the counterculture movement influenced fashion leading to unique styles like psychedelic prints and unisex clothing. So, Japanese colonization naman. Timeline niya is Japanese colonization primarily spanned from the late 19th century to the mid 20th century, starting with Taiwan in 1895, followed by Korea in 1910, and parts of China and the Pacific Islands through World War II. So, this period brought significant politic and economic changes to the regions under Japanese rule. Key events, including the first Sino-Japanese War in 1894 and 1895, the annexation of Korea noong 1910, and the establishment of Japan's greater East Asia prosperity sphere during World War II. So these events not only expanded Japan's territorial control but also influenced the cultural exchanges and conflicts that arose. So the colonization led to the introduction of Japanese art styles and fashion trends in the occupied territories. May traditional textiles and art forms were influenced by Japanese aesthetics, while local crafts often adapted to incorporate Japanese techniques, resulting in a unique blend of cultural expression. Cultural influences on arts and fashion during Japanese rule. So, The infusion of Japanese aesthetics during colonization introduced unique design elements such as minimalism, asymmetry, and an emphasis on nature. So, this influenced various art forms and fashion, integrating traditional motifs into contemporary works. So, Japanese pop culture, including the anime and the street fashion, gained prominence and impacted global trends. So, this period saw the rise of vibrant colors, unique patterns, and blend of traditional and modern styles that resonated with younger audience. So, traditional art forms such as kimono, making pottery, and calligraphy evolved to reflect new influences while still preserving their roots. So, this led to innovative designs that incorporated contemporary aesthetics, merging the old with new in both art and fashion. So, ito po na yung movements natin, yung timeline. 1920s, the rise of Nihonga style blending traditional Japanese techniques with Western influence marks pivotal development in contemporary Japanese art. 1960s, emergence of avant-garde movement in fashion led by designers like Issey Miyake, who introduced innovative textile technologies and unconventional designs. 1980s, the global influence of Japanese fashion designers like Yohji Yamamoto and Rei Kawakubo, known for their deconstructed silhouettes and minimalist aesthetic, shaped international fashion. 1990s, the popularity of street fashion Harajuku, characterized by unique and eclectic styles, reflects the blend of traditional and contemporary influences, showcasing Japan's cultural diversity. And next natin. This is nung sa may comparative analysis. So, dito makita natin yung kimono and yung mga arts nila. So, conclusion natin. The colonization by American Japan has led profound and lasting effects on contemporary arts and fashion. American colonization introduced Western influences, modernism, pop culture, while Japanese colonization emphasized aesthetics and traditional techniques, creating a unique fusion in modern design. So, thank you.